Shalom. Our Torah portion this week, Vayetzei, opens with Jacob's flight from the city of Beersheba to his mother Rebekah's native city of Haran in Mesopotamia. What gave rise to Jacob's sudden departure from the place where he was born was his tumultuous and troubled relationship with his twin brother Esau. Earlier, Jacob convinced his weak-willed brother to sell him his birthright for a pot of lentils. Now, following that, Jacob deceived his father Isaac into giving him the blessing that he intended to bestow upon Esau. Now, fearing Esau would kill him because of these betrayals, Jacob leaves the country. Now, along the way, he rests for the night on a mountainside that he happens to stumble upon. He took one of the stones he found there and placed it at his head, and he fell asleep. There he dreamt one of the most famous dreams ever dreamt. Here was a ladder set upon the earth with its top reaching into the heavens. Malachim, as they're called in Hebrew, translated as by some as messengers of God or by others as angels, were going up and down on this ladder. And here, we're told, the Eternal One was standing in front of Jacob saying, "I am the God of your grandfather Abraham and your father Isaac. And I will give this land to your descendants. Here I am with you, and I will watch over you wherever you go." Now Jacob awakes and says, "Achen yesh Adonai b'makom hazeh v'lo yadati." Surely the Lord is in this place, and I did not know it. Notice that the word here, vahine, appears 3 times in this passage. Now, vahine can be translated as behold, to look, to see something, or here it is. Now, it's repeated 3 times, seemingly to denote a sense of immediacy. Hine, behold, look, right here is a ladder connecting heaven and earth, we're told. And hine, behold, look, right here, messengers of God are going up and down on this ladder. And finally it says, v'hine, behold, look, right here, I, the Eternal One, am with you, and I will watch over you, and I will not leave you until I have done what I have promised you. We're reminded in this passage that God's love is manifest in our lives through the study of Torah. Now, why would I say that? Well, the Hebrew word for ladder in Hebrew has a numerical value. You know, every Hebrew letter has a numerical value. The numerical value for the word sulam, ladder, is 130, which is exactly the same numerical value as the word Sinai, Mount Sinai, where the Torah was given. And so we learn from this that the study of Torah and other sacred texts instill in us a sense of God's presence in our lives. Torah, in a sense, is the ladder connecting heaven and earth. We also sense God's love and concern for us through the messengers or angels that God sends us all of the time. Every being we encounter is sent to us by God to teach us some important lesson, to give us some vital message. You know, it could be many things. It could be patience or forgiveness or generosity or compassion. In other words, there is no insignificant encounter, no meaningless experience, no coincidental occurrence. Those angels ascending on Jacob's ladder remind us that every moment we're alive, And every soul we encounter in this life is important in one way or another. Each angel descending on Jacob's ladder reminds us that every one of those moments and each of those experiences is unique, meaningful, and in some way or another manifests the divine presence in this world. So as in the story of Jacob's journey to Haran and his eventual return to the land of Israel, this week's Torah portion teaches us that God is with us every step along the way, wherever we are, if we but open our eyes and our hearts to that possibility. Yesh Adonai b'makom hazeh. Surely the Eternal One is in this presence, is in this place. Surely God is in this place. And where is this place where we can encounter God? Anywhere where we let God in. I hope you will check out our Temple Bethel website, templebethelhollywood.org, templebethelhollywood.org. Shabbat Shalom.